Welcome to our IPTV exploration today. Starting with the leader of the pack, 2TV Store. Discover why it's the top choice for Samsung TV. Contact Nancy for support, link below. With a vast selection of channels, 2TV offers unbeatable quality and variety, making it a powerhouse for entertainment enthusiasts. Now, let's check out the easy setup process. Samsung TV's interface pairs seamlessly with many IPTV services, but shines brightest with 2TV Store. The intuitive controls make it a breeze to navigate through content. Beyond setup, 2TV Store offers top-notch customer service. With options like contacting Nancy for help, you never have to worry about streaming hiccups. We dive into detailed customization features next, ensuring your IPTV is tailored to your viewing preferences, maximizing your Samsung TV experience. In conclusion, 2TV Store remains the top recommendation for Samsung users. Easily customizable, vast channel variety, and unrivaled support. The link is in the description.